Today we are discussing Renaissance reports for those of you who are new to using Renaissance. If you'd like a copy of this presentation, go to go.bcsd.com/fx6. We will learn how to use Renaissance reports to gather information about our students, and we'll know we are successful when we are able to access Renaissance reports, adjust settings, and pin frequently used reports. The next few slides contain descriptions of various STAR tests and suggestions for motivating students. You may want to go back and review these later. This is a description of STAR Early Literacy. In BCSD, we use STAR Early Literacy for kindergarten and first grade. Those students who achieve a 775 scaled score may then proceed to STAR Reading and STAR Math. Here's a description of STAR Reading and STAR Math. Here's a visual that describes the time limits for each test. This is a scale that demonstrates the connection between STAR Early Literacy and STAR Reading and Math. When students achieve a 775 on STAR Early Literacy, they may then proceed to STAR Reading and STAR Math. Here are some suggestions to motivate your students to do their best. Today, we will learn how to access Renaissance reports, adjust report settings, and pin frequently used reports. For teacher and admin access, you can go to bcsd.com, select the Employees page, and click on either Clever or Renaissance Place Administrators or Renaissance Place Teachers and Students. If you're a teacher, you will be put through Clever. Teachers and students are rostered through Clever. Admin users are not. From the Renaissance dashboard, you can get to the reports page a few different ways. If you click on STAR Reading, you can access reports by clicking on Reports. If you click on Reports, you can also access the report page. They both go to the same place. I'm going to click on STAR Assessment. This page will open up. Notice that STAR Assessment is highlighted orange. That means all of the reports on this page are for STAR. If I click the tab and highlight Accelerated Reader, all the reports on the page are for Accelerated Reader. As I'm looking at the reports to choose which report I'd like to run, when I hover over them, a brief description of the report pops up. When I find a report I want to run, I simply click on it. From here, I can change the assignment type. I would like to run it on STAR Math. So I click STAR Math and apply. From here, I can change the students. If I want to run it on my whole class, I don't need to change anything. But if I just want to run it on a few students, I would click Select Students and then select those particular students. I'm going to run it on the whole class though. And then I hit Apply. For demographics, I'm going to leave this to all demographics. But if you are a site admin user, you can use this tab to sort demographics, and it's a good way to sort out your English language learners. For the date range, I want to see the whole year, so I'm going to leave it on the whole school year. But if I want to just see a trimester or a screening window, I can change that. I can also put in custom dates. I can put everything from 1 day to 1 week to 1 year. The scale defaults to STAR Enterprise scale, and you should always leave it there. I like to see a grade equivalent, so I leave this box checked. From there, I'll hit Update Report. As you'll notice, this black bar has sortable columns. When you click into the column, you can sort ascending or descending. You can also sort by GE or anything else that is at the top. If you want to print this report, you can go up here and click PDF. That will turn the report into a PDF if you need to print it. Renaissance has a large number of reports that can sometimes feel overwhelming. Pinning frequently used reports is a way to pull up a report quickly without having to look for it. This page contains several charts and descriptions of Renaissance reports. If you click on this box, it will take you to the link where those are. Here are some suggested reports. You may want to ask yourself, what information are you looking for? If I want to know if all of my students finished testing in a testing window, I might use the STAR Test Activity Report. These are just some suggestions of reports that I find helpful. I like to use the STAR Record Book, so I'm going to pin that to the top. I also like the STAR Screening Report. I frequently use the Test Record Report. Another favorite of mine is the STAR Summary Report. And lastly, I love to use the STAR Parent Report when I'm communicating with parents. It shows an easy explanation of STAR results, so I'm going to pin that one. All of the reports I pinned now show at the top of my screen. I still have access to all the other reports, but I don't have to sort through all of those reports just to get to my favorite. Hopefully you are able to access Renaissance reports, adjust settings, and pin frequently used reports. What is the one thing you will walk away with? Renaissance provides high-quality help resources by topic in the Help tab. Renaissance live chat is typically very responsive Monday through Friday during business hours. A live chat operator will assist as well as email a transcript of the chat. That's really nice because you don't even have to take notes. Please contact us with any questions. Thanks for learning with us.